Hi guys, welcome back. This is Chef Morris, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day today here in Sicily. In this episode, I decided to invite one good friend of mine from Netherlands. He's also a content creator to cook one Filipino dish na sigurado magugustuhan nyo dahil sobrang sarap itong recipe natin today. So I decided to write an email to Kuya Joey to invite him para turuan natin siya kung paano magluto ng Sinuglaw. So I chose this recipe from Visayas because apart from being delicious, it's a combination of two cooking techniques, which is sugba, means to grill, and kinilaw, which is to marinate. It's also a combination of two main ingredients, the fish and the pork. In this case, we're gonna use tuna. And to grill, we're gonna use pork belly or yung tinatawag nating liempo. So bago tayo magluto, bago yan, alam ko excited na kayo, pero ililibot muna tayo ni Kuya Joey sa Netherlands. Tingnan natin to.
Thank you, Morris. My name is Joey. My YouTube channel is called Pinoy Planet. We are here in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. I will show you around a bit. It's a very rainy day, but here I'm at the fish market where I will get the tuna for the Sinuglaw, and I will also show you some other places. So please enjoy. So the weather is getting a bit better. Hopefully today I can cook in the garden. I'm not sure, but anyway, I like to show you around a little bit in this area. It is outside of the city center, so we're not in the city center today, as you can see. But behind me is a beautiful windmill. I will show you. I hope you can see it well. That's the windmill there. And I often get my flour there, you know, also for today, if I want to make a recipe and I need flour, I will get it here from the windmill, freshly made. So I hope you like this little bit of scenery from the Netherlands. I was able to show you a little bit from this area near my home. I got the fish already, so I'm gonna quickly go back home and then I'll see you there. And I'm really curious to the Sinugba, or the Sinuglaw, I have to say. So see you later.
How did you fall in love with the Filipino cuisine?
I'm really excited to learn more about Filipino food, you know, because actually my wife is Filipina.
Oh.
I got used to Filipino food like 15 years ago, since we met, and at that time I didn't know so much about it, to be honest. So I was just trying to learn more and more, and I never cooked it myself. You know, always my wife that is cooking.
Okay.
But then I thought, you know, let me try to make simple dishes like adobo, chicken adobo. Which is it's a basic, very simple meal. So I thought, let me just try it. And when I did that, I basically fell in love with cooking Filipino foods.
That's a nice story. One last question before we start. What's your favorite Filipino food?
I don't have one that is really my favorite. You know, I have a couple that are my favorite. It's very hard to say. But I like the spicy food. So like sisig, pork sisig.
Oh, nice.
Laing, I like laing.
Awesome. Yes.
So actually, I like kinilaw na isda.
Oh, so this dish is perfect for you.
Yeah, and it's the first time to eat it with grilled liempo. So I think this is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So, shall we start?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this. So our first step, we will need 500 grams of flour.
So I got it here. I'm gonna add 500 grams of flour.
Yes. 350 grams of water and then 2 grams of yeast.
I have 350 grams of water here. I have an instant yeast, I think. It's 1 tablespoon of salt, is that correct?
Yes. and a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna put it on the table and work it out like for 2 minutes. But put some flour on your table so it won't be very sticky. So like this, and then put it back.
Oh, okay, just like that.
Like a mozzarella. So now we're gonna cover it with a cling wrap or something. Resting is very important, so it will take time to ferment a little bit. Kuya Joey and I are preparing the marinade for our tuna. So first off, we put some lemon juice and some lemon zest. We're gonna add 50 grams of vinegar. Just like a tablespoon of sugar, 1 clove of garlic. Now let's add some salt and pepper. I'm putting some chopped spring onions.
Spring onions.
Parsley.
Okay. We're gonna just cut these cucumbers. Gonna remove the seeds and then cut it in cubes, small cubes.
Okay, I'm gonna add my apples.
This green apple looks really good, so I'm gonna cut this in same size as the cucumber, right?
Same sizes of the cucumber.
1 small onion, right? Is okay?
Yeah, 1 small onion. So now the last that we will put some chili.
There's a lot of chili here. I have different types, but I don't want to make it too spicy.
Because actually I'm using dried chilies.
Actually, I want to bring it to my parents also, you know, have them try it. What do you think? Is it okay for 1 red chili, or is it you need more?
I think if you don't want spices, half of that is enough.
Oh, half of this chili? Okay. We're gonna also add half of the chili. Okay, so now we're just mixing everything, all these ingredients. And it smells amazing, but we're also gonna taste it to see how the taste is. Oh wow. It tastes really good. It's really nice. I like this combination.
Yeah.
I'm surprised with the taste. It's really good.
Marinade is ready, so we're gonna prepare our tuna right now.
Yes. Okay, so I got the tuna here.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Thank you. So we're cutting the tuna in cubes.
Add our tuna inside our bowl. Let's add the fresh ginger. And now it's time to put our coconut milk. So right now, I'm marinating our pork belly with some olive oil. I'm gonna put smoked paprika. You can rub it with our hands. Rub some garlic in it. Pepper. Both sides. So now it's time to grill our liempo. We're gonna need our rolling pin. With the rolling pin, don't forget to put flour.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of flour here.
Yep.
This invention rolling pin, because it's not.
Yeah.
I didn't have one, but
Improvise.
we need to be creative, diba?
Yeah, yes. Tama, tama.
Tama na.
So Kuya Joey, you are now Filipino by heart, right? Isn't it?
Pusong Pinoy.
Pusong Pinoy. Yeah, tama.
And we're gonna put the tortilla in.
All right. Okay. I already did 4.
Badu sole, badu sole, badu sole, da-da-da. Badu sole, badu sole, badu sole, da-da-da.
All right. So first, our tortilla.
The tortilla.
I'm gonna put in our tuna. Just make sure you get a little bit of everything.
Okay. A little bit of everything.
Now let's add in our pork belly, liempo.
Few slices.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of green, just like this one, the lettuce.
A little bit of greens. Sige. Okay, tara. Tikman natin, di ba?
Tara na, kain tayo. Yeah. Tikman na natin.
There we go. Mmm.
Wow.
Oh, the flavor is so good. Amazing.
Seryoso, huh?
Sigurado.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked our recipe for today with Kuya Joey, of course. Our Sinuglaw with a twist. I hope you like it. And of course, don't forget to watch Kuya Joey's video. It's right here. So, see you guys next week. Thank you so much.